Judge Oakley, you've never looked nicer.
I'm sorry, Caitlin.
Oh,
I see a lot of people here. I am running to my desk right now. We will start in just.
We are just fine, Heather.
Yeah, just hang out.
Thanks, guys.
Hi, Caitlin.
Hi, Jeff.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm just fine. Did you have a nice Halloween?
So we're in the new house now, and I was so excited to get trick-or-treaters, and we had like 12 people.
Really?
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, but eventually you'll have hundreds.
Oh, I hope so.
When this COVID is over, I'm from a rural area and I live in a rural area, so Halloween really was never much of an issue. But I spent several years in a little house in Dearborn. Mm-hmm. And these people came to my house begging for candy at 8:30 in the morning, and it went till midnight. I mean, I was shoveling candy out the door.
Wow. See, we came from Dearborn Heights and nobody celebrated. So I never got to participate. So this year I was all excited. I made little treat bags for kids that had allergies. I was all gung ho, and then we had 12 kids.
Oh, yeah. We live on a cul-de-sac right next to a big neighborhood, and we only had like 15 people because they don't want to walk down the cul-de-sac, even though everybody was giving out, which is like 14 houses.
Oh, wow. Yeah. That's like my entire block wasn't participating. So nobody would go down my street then, which I get it, but still.
I remember one time in the rural area here, we forgot and left our porch light on. And we had one mother and one little girl. And my wife at the time were sitting there on the couch. And we didn't really nobody really ate candy or anything. I think we gave the kid a can of soup, a bag of chips, and a savings bond. But, I mean, we were mortified. This cute little girl in this little outfit.
Jeff, do you guys want to go in a breakout room for the violation of parental response cases for you guys to talk to figure out what's going on in case they want to speak to you, Jeff?
Well, I don't care. Whatever whatever Caitlin wants.
Whatever works for me.
All right, I'll put you guys in, and then because so far we have Alicia Wright, and then Isaac Miles.
All right, perfect.
So Caitlin and I are going in a breakout room?
Yep. Hey, Phil.
Hello, how are you?
All right, how are you?
Good. How's my speaker and all that stuff sound?
You sound very muffled.
See, that sucks because I've been trying to fix everything in here and I don't know what else to do. And they always complain about me, but Yono always does traffic from here and never has a problem.
Yeah, you sound really, really muffled.
So I don't know what to do. I mean,
Did you ask him what he does?
Yeah, I guess, because I have no idea. I don't. Because I got, like I said, I mean, I don't have anywhere where I can test, because I tested the one where I heard the ringtone. Then the other one on the playback was kind of bad, but I didn't know how to fix it. I mean, other than try another speaker. I don't have any other speakers.
Yeah, I don't know. It's really muffled though.
And if I would have known this, I'd have just drawn my butt up to the courthouse, because I know that I could go there if I wanted. And I almost did that. I almost said, you know what? I'm going to the courthouse. Because it says like microphone. So right now I did microphone. Allow microphone on this device. No kidding. Allow apps. Choose microphone app. Okay, we got that. But I don't know what else to do. Yeah, because like I said, I have, I'm not a techie guy, but.
Yeah. Now, do you have like headphones that have a microphone on it?
No, we just use the one right off the computer.
Okay, so maybe it's blown.
I mean, that's the only thing I can think of, but I'll have to ask Yono, but I don't know why he doesn't have a problem and nobody complains about him. And I'm pretty sure he sits at the same thing.
Yeah, that is weird.
Take test, voice recorder, no. I don't know. So, and I know you guys, I know you don't get mad at me, But I mean, I know you guys say that, but it's like, I don't know what else to do. And then, like I said, I'll report it here and, oh, it's just you, or it's just that, or they can't fix it, or whatever. I'll send them again, but I should actually run and get tightened. Yeah, hang on. I'll be right back. Hey, Heather, you still there?
I
Heather,
am.
sorry,
Yep.
I got tightened here, so. So like you said,
What is it doing, Heather?
Like whatever Phil just said, I heard nothing. We just hear blah, 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 blah. You don't hear anything. It's all muffled.
and Yono uses the exact same computer, and they never complain about him.
So like whatever he's saying now, I'm not understanding.
Okay. Would it be possible that we maybe try to jump off and get back on again, and maybe it'll change it?
I mean, he can try. Yeah, that's fine. I'll bring him in.
Okay. So we're gonna knock out of here, and then we'll do that again. Okay.
All right. Yep. I'll be watching for you.
Thank you.
Now, is it because I'm yelling? Because you're talking way quieter than me. She's just,
Oh, gosh, hold on.
just close it out.
Oops.
Okay, Phil, or Brian, start talking.
Is this a little better for you?
Keep saying stuff. That sounded good.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure that it was working okay.
A
And-
little better, yes.
Just make sure Phil doesn't yell. All right, are we okay then, Heather?
Yep, it sounds good.
All right, thank you. We'll see you.
Thanks.
Yeah, so what he did is he went through the 34th District Court website. And,
Okay.
but I don't see what the heck that has anything to do with the speaker sitting on.
I don't think so either. Sit back a little bit and talk. Not
How's
that far. Okay, now try.
How's this sound? Any better?
I mean, I hear you.
Okay. So from
Uh-oh, what
now
happened to Caitlin?
on, I don't know.
Caitlin's, I think, I left her in a breakout room.
Yeah. Sorry,
And I was,
Caitlin.
I thought you just didn't want.
we're back, cat's outside.
Well, when I put open all rooms, it threw you in a breakout room, Caitlin.
Oh, well, it just doesn't want me here, I guess. It's fine.
Okay, well, I'm gonna try it again.
All right.
Okay, you're good. All right, so you guys are, it did throw her in a, oh my goodness. Hello again.
Hi, this is fun.
Yes.
Is the
all
judge
right.
again?
So, are you guys ready?
I'm ready for the first individual if they wish to speak with me.
All righty.
Officer, are you and I in a breakout room?
We could be, I guess. I don't know.
And that would make me wonder why.
Yeah. I mean, I like you, but I have no idea.
No, there's not much to talk about yet. Hey, we just got started.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You're in
Your
the
last
Zoom
name
meeting.
is Miles, correct?
Yes, MYLES.
Okay.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. Who we ready on, Mr. Bowditch?
Well, Your Honor, I
I-
haven't spoken to anyone yet.
Okay. Heather?
I don't know if they need, do they have to speak to him? This first
Mr.
one,
Miles,
Isaac.
do you want to talk to an attorney?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Okay.
That'll be me, Mr. Miles.
Okay, how you doing?
Hey, Heather.
Yes, Caitlin, sorry.
You're okay. Wholly unrelated. Campo Construction, I talked to the attorney and we have a resolution. How do you want me to put that?
Is he the one that has like a ton?
Yeah, there's like 40 cases.
How do you guys plan on resolving it?
I boiled it down into one lump sum. So I don't know if you want to just have me tack it on to one of the overweights that are already there and then dismiss the rest of them.
Because how much is it going to be?
Like 54,000.
Okay, because I see one's at 12, one's at 14, and one's at 10. So maybe I can just, I don't know. I don't know how Marlisa is going to want to.
I can bug her about it.
Either her or Carol,
Okay.
because I'm not sure how they want to how they'll understand for you to put it on 1 or 2 cases, if they want all the case numbers or how they want it.
Okay.
Sorry.
No, I get it. Thank you.
Yep. Hi, Mr. Neal.
Good morning.
Good morning. Are you in the correct Zoom room?
I'm not sure. I had a hearing, I believe it was this room for Community Choice versus Evans.
I don't think so. Let me see. Do you have a, let me go back. Do you have a case number?
I do not have the case number. My system's actually shutting down right now. I'm trying to log back in, unfortunately.
Okay. Community Choice. Okay, it's in Judge Martin's Zoom.
Thank you.
Do you have her number or do you need
I
it?
do not. If
Okay,
you
tell
could
me
give
when
it
you're
to me,
ready.
it'd be great. Yep, go ahead.
580-707-8882.
Thank you. I appreciate the assistance.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
You want to bring her in?
Yep, she's in, Judge. She's connected to audio now.
Thank you. Good morning. Is your name Miss Reich?
Yes.
I said it right?
Yes.
Good morning.
Morning.
So I've got a file here dated October 1, 21. Violation of parental responsibility is the charge. Carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 93 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. And Madam Prosecutor, what is the offer?
Your Honor, the offer is 771.1 for 2 months with no fines or costs.
Okay, I didn't hear anything until you said month. It was just all jumpy garbled.
Sorry, Your Honor, can you hear me?
Now I can, yep.
All right, the offer is 771.1 for a term of 9 months with no fines or costs.
Got it. Got it. Okay. So Ms. Wright, the way this works is if you plead guilty today, that's option number 1. If you plead guilty today, then I'm going to take this under a delayed sentence. What that means is for 9 months, you do the things I tell you to do, don't do the things I tell you not to do, and at the end of 9 months, the charge is dismissed. What I'm going to tell you to do is stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses, and no further attendance issues for the child or children you have that are going to Huron. Understood?
Yes.
Well, first of all, do you want to go forward today without an attorney, or would you like to speak to a court-appointed attorney?
I have a question actually, if that's okay.
Can you answer my question first? Because depending on how you answer my question depends on whether or not I'll talk to you without talking to the attorney. Make sense?
Yes,
If you want to talk to an attorney, you should talk to an attorney before we do anything else.
Yeah, I don't need an attorney, sir.
Okay, go ahead and ask your question.
Yeah, so with the school and whatnot, I've talked to the principal thing, and she had me fax her over some, my daughter was real sick at the beginning of the year.
Okay, get to the question. What's the question for me?
I faxed over the paperwork and everything and the excuses from the doctors and everything. So does that not excuse her from her absence?
Your Honor, I can add to that.
Please.
She did fax over the paperwork for the doctors, but even with those doctor's notes for 5, 10, 15 days, she's still at 10 days absent and her child still has not been coming to school.
All right, Miss Foley Carter, could you understand anything he said? Because I could not.
I did, Your Honor. Even with the doctor's notes, the child was still absent 10 days.
Okay, okay. Understand, ma'am?
Yes.
So did I give you enough information to make a decision?
Yes, I mean, yeah.
Okay, what do you want to do today, ma'am?
I'll go ahead and do what I have to do, the first option for us.
You want to take the offer from the prosecutor?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So you're pleading guilty today. You're doing so freely and voluntarily, correct?
Yes, and that's where I just have to, do I have to report to you guys or?
It's not a reporting. No, it's, you know, don't go on a crime spree. And was your son's name Ethan?
No, my daughter's name's Alyssa.
Alyssa. Okay. All right. So no further issues with Alyssa and attendance at school. So as long as that we have both those things happen for the 9 months, then at the end of 9 months, the matter is dismissed.
Okay, sounds good.
All right. So back on October 1 or leading up to October 1, did we have 10 or more absences, unexcused absences for your daughter in Huron schools?
Back to 9/1. I mean, like I said, I do have paperwork. She's been tested for corona twice. I have doctor's notes. Sure, what
Okay,
exactly
ma'am. Officer Zernick said that with all the excused absences for the doctor, there still leaves 10 unexcused absences. So my question to you was, is that true that there were 10 or more unexcused absences that were not covered by doctor's notes?
Yes, I guess, because he's,
Okay.
yes, but I'm not sure.
Okay. I need to have a factual basis to accept a guilty plea. That gives me a factual basis. So now we can move forward with the 9-month delayed sentence and tell you no crime sprees, no further attendance issues. If you're having any problems getting the kid in school when she needs to be there, then you need to reach out to us. You need to talk to Christine Oswald in our probation department. She's our juvenile probation officer, and she can help you with resources and so forth and so on that might help you with the problem getting her to school. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any questions on how this works?
No.
All right. I just need to confirm some information to make sure we've got good contact info for you.
Okay.
Our address on the file is Culver. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. And can you share a phone number with us?
Yeah, it's going to be 734.
Got it.
341.
Got it.
8536.
Okay. Any chance that you're not going to be at that address for at least 9 months?
I might move. Yes.
If you do, let us know the new address, because if we think there's been a problem within the 9 months, we're going to send you a notice to give you a chance to explain what happened. If we can't find you, the notice doesn't get to you, you don't get to explain, and then this goes on your record and stays there.
Sure. Do I just contact the courthouse?
Just that easy. Contact us and say, my new address is.
Okay.
Any questions?
No, that's it.
All right. Have a great day and good luck.
You too. Thank you.
Yep. Mr. Bowditch, are we ready on Miles?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what are we doing?
Your Honor, do we have a case number on this, please?
Case number is 20 HR 12894.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, I believe Mr. Miles, accompanied by his wife, are going to plead responsible for the absences with somewhat of an explanation.
Okay, so just so we're clear, this is a show cause hearing following the sentence on June 10, 21, where I put Mr. Miles on a 12-month delayed sentence, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and Ms. Foley Carter, I assume the reason we're here today is because there have been continuing absence issues after that date.
We are, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Bowditch.
Well, Your Honor, in talking with both parents, there has been, I wasn't aware of this, but according to them, Summit Academy has been on virtual learning the past several weeks, which created a problem. Even though they provided a laptop or some sort of device, the parents had trouble communicating with the school. That being said, Your Honor, going forward, Summit Academy, I believe now is fully functional, and the parents do not believe there'll be any form of problems with the children attending from now on.
Kaylin,
Thank you.
Kaylin, if you can reply to Mr. Oakley, just so he knows they had the option to go in person from the beginning of this.
I got some of that, not all of it.
There is an option with Summit Academy that the children can go in person as opposed to virtual.
And that was
Okay.
beginning of this year.
I didn't catch that.
That was as of this year.
All right, so since the beginning of the school year, Officer Zernick?
Correct.
Okay. Doesn't really explain why Mr. Miles' child was having problems on online then.
There are two, Your Honor. One is absent 13 days and the other is absent 17 days as of last week.
And some of them were excused where the parents called them off.
Some of them are what?
We're excused.
All right. But if online was an option, if I understand correctly, the Miles children could have been going to school, brick and mortar school from day one.
Correct.
Okay. Mr. Miles or Mr. Bowditch, would you like to respond to that?
Yes, we was having problems with the Chromebooks. They didn't have the passwords right for 2 weeks.
Then why didn't the kids just go to school?
Because of the outbreak, Your Honor, because of of COVID. My wife was afraid of them catching it or from the other students.
Did they have some kind of a big problem at Summit that I didn't hear about?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Anything else, Mr. Bowditch?
Nothing, Your Honor.
Any from the people, any position, anything else?
Your Honor, typically when a person violates on a delayed sentence, we would ask for the conviction to be entered. In this particular case, I don't know that that's going to get us to our goal. I just want the children to be in school.
I can add, Your Honor, that our children, all their assignments they're caught up on all their assignments.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, just so you're aware, when I ran this about a week ago, hopefully they are caught up today, but as of then, they both are failing 3 of their classes.
All right, they're all caught up and then I lost them again.
Yeah, Caitlin, if you could tell Judge Oakley that they're failing all 3 of their classes, so if they are caught up, they're still failing probably due to lack of attendance.
Okay. All right, so I got that. They might have turned everything in, but they're not getting credits for it.
Correct.
Okay. How old are the kids, Mr. Miles?
9 and 10, sir.
Thank you.
And they both are autistic.
I'm assuming they've got education plans to match their disabilities?
Yes, sir. They will be in
Thank
school
you.
tomorrow, back in the building.
Okay. All right. I'm making myself a note because I got a lousy memory.
Okay.
So my note is, I'm finding that you violated the terms of your delayed sentence as of today. I'm not entering the conviction today. I'm going to give you another chance to make sure we don't have any unexcused absences. One unexcused absence for one child equals a conviction on your record. Understood?
Understood, John.
All right, let's get those kids in school. Have a great
Thank
day.
you. All right, you as well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge,
You're
I'm bringing in
welcome.
Jennifer Moore. I'm almost positive her name
Thank
is
you.
Jennifer Herrera McKibben. She's our motion to set aside. Caitlin, you
Thank
have
you.
all her information.
I do. Thank you, Heather.
Are you ready on that one? Ms. Foley, you've had a chance to look everything over?
I have, Your Honor.
Okay.
She was on the phone for a
You
good
look-
10, 15 minutes trying to connect, trying to figure things out. So I don't know how well this
Okay.
is going to go.
Okay. And Miss Foley Carter, the one that confused me on this the most was her signatures. Did you see all the signatures that were submitted?
No, I did it.
Do you have them?
I have them. She handed over the driver's license to the officer at the time of the stop. So we have that.
Okay. How do you know that?
I talked to Officer Yono. He remembers her.
Oh, he remembered it. Only Freddie would remember.
Steel trap.
All right, she's not connecting, so let me see if I can get her on the phone. Jennifer Moore, please. All right, Jennifer Moore, my name is Brian Oakley. I'm calling from the 34th District Court. We've got a file with your name on it with the name Herrera McBibben, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can quit trying to connect on Zoom because it's not working.
I have tried on.
No, that's all right. I can hear you loud and clear. I just want to make sure the prosecutor can hear you. She's on Zoom. Madam Prosecutor, can you hear Miss Moore?
I can hear her, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So Miss Moore, we've got a traffic ticket, a speeding ticket that goes back to April 2nd, 2015. You've been in contact with some of the people in my building here, and we've set this up as a motion to set aside the default judgment. The default judgment was entered back in 2015, if I remember correctly, because you missed a hearing date. So you submitted some documentation saying that the ticket wasn't issued to you, correct?
Correct, yes, sir.
Okay, so today's the date and time, so I can let the prosecutor for Huron Township weigh in, and then I can make a decision whether or not I'm going to set aside the default, in essence, roll the clock back to April of 2015. Understood?
Yes, sir.
All right. Is there anything you want to add to the paperwork that you sent in?
No, sir, I've just never been in your state. I'm sorry.
Okay. And Ms. Foley Carter, do you have any questions for the lady?
I do not, Your Honor.
All right. And the people's position?
We object to the motion, Your Honor.
All right. And what was Officer Yono's position?
He also objects, Your Honor,
Yeah, but why?
because she was issued the speeding ticket back in 2015 and hadn't paid.
I'm sorry, say again?
She was issued a speeding ticket in 2015, Your Honor, and hasn't paid.
Okay. Ms. Moore, have you had any other issues with anybody using your identity?
Yes.
What?
I went through a hot sex. I went through tickets in Oklahoma. This has been a nightmare, but I didn't realize that this had even occurred until I went in to go get my driver's license renewed, and they told me that they were suspended from Michigan.
All right, so I'm assuming when you say you had tickets in Oklahoma, same situation, tickets in Oklahoma that you didn't receive personally.
Yes, sir.
The tickets were assessed to your name.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When were those, if you know, when did those tickets, when were they incurred?
In 2016.
All right. All right. I'll give you the break. I'll set aside the default. I'll dismiss the action.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And of course, they're suspended out of y'all's area. Will that lift? Is there something I need to do?
I need you to pay the $45 clearance fee, and that'll take care of it.
Yes, sir. Do I pay to you? Do I pay it to the?
It has to be paid through the court, correct?
Okay.
You can do that online. It'll cost you a little extra for a third-party vendor, or you can mail a payment in.
Okay.
And our 34th District Court website will give you all those options. Anything else?
Yes, sir. I appreciate you so much, and y'all have a wonderful, blessed day.
You as well.
Thank you.
All right, Heather, what's up?
I don't show anybody else in the waiting room, Judge.
All right, and we've got White and Risen, both scheduled at 8:45. They're both going in the no-show pile. All right, thank you all.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Heather, you want me to leave this up?
Yes, please.
All right.
Heather,
Yes, Jeff.
could you give me Isaac Miles' case number again? I got the 20 HR.
It's 20 HR 12894.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're
Are we
welcome.
does the docket go on? Do we have 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, all that stuff?
Nope, we only had 3 at 8:45.
So should I stay on Zoom for a while?
No, Judge said no, you're good. Thank you for your assistance today.
Oh, well, that was easy.
All right, have a good,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Miss Foley.
you're welcome. Have a good day, Jeff. Hi, Mr. White. Mr. White? Mr. White? Lamar White?
Just a second. Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Okay, you're 2 hours late, so you'll need to go on to our website and request a new hearing before warrants issued.
What is the website, man?
34th District Court.
'36th District Court.
Nope, this is the 34th District Court.
34th District Court.
Yep,
And go on there and request a new
hearing. Yep,
Well, I thought it was at 10.
nope, notice that at 8:45.
So I won't be able to talk to Brian today.
Nope, Judge Oakley is off the bench, so is the prosecutor, so is the attorney. Everybody was here at 8:30.
They had me at, I was in Allen Hinman's. They had the wrong judge for me. I just got his name.
Okay, go online and request a new hearing.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Hello? Yeah.